once again.
Hi, my name is Jen Dawson. Welcome to Jen TV. So, a little bit embarrassing, but apparently I've been doing pantyhose and stockings wrong all these years. So, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below where I'm going wrong here. I mean, tell me what you think. I guess this one is a little bit aging. How about a quick fix for you? Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. I think we need a bit more. No? You're right. I know, you're right. I need makeup. Hold on a minute. Yeah, a bit more nose, I think. That's better. Just check on some lips. Sassy. It needs eyes. Should we do a nice smoky eye? Baby. I think, you know, a bit under the eye there. Yeah. This is the right kind of makeup tutorial. I mean, you don't want to look stupid. It's nice, kind of smoky cat eye. I need a kind of angular cheek. Lovely nose. Oh yeah, give the angles. Oh. I'm thinking, you know, kind of thinking a little bit of some lovely shine here. A little bit of a shiny cheek. Oh, yes! My daughter's coming down the hallway. She's gonna freak out. Come here, Zara. I'm not gonna have you on camera. Don't come on camera, don't you? What do you think? Okay, go do what you were gonna do. Just a regular thing in our house. Mummy doing something nuts. What do you think? Nice bit of makeup? Okay, do what you're gonna do. Okay, watch. Anyway, leave your comments below. Thank you. See you later. I just wanted to do an after. I look like I've been in a fight.